When striving for financial success, we usually focus on factors such as education, skills, and work experience. However, we often forget that psychology plays a huge role in relating to money, making financial decisions, and achieving financial wealth. In the video, we will share some key psychological principles that will help you take steps to regain financial sovereignty and the life you desire. So we begin. What is financial sovereignty? Money is a powerful force that provides us with security, comfort, and freedom. But there are times in life when finances seem to control our lives. Some people are struggling to make ends meet, trying to make it to paycheck, and some people can't break through the financial ceiling and earn enough to fulfill their dreams. In these situations, we are talking about a lack of financial sovereignty. Financial sovereignty is the ability to control your finances, make responsible decisions, and feel free to take risks and create a life that is meaningful to you. Key aspects of financial sovereignty include financial literacy. It all starts with knowledge and understanding of financial concepts, money management tools, and risks. Developing financial literacy helps you make informed decisions about spending, saving, investing, and planning for the future. Budgeting and planning. Having financial sovereignty involves the ability to develop a budget and plan spending in line with one's financial goals. This means setting priorities, using resources efficiently, and ensuring prosperity in the long run. Creating economic security. Financial sovereignty involves building reserves, accumulating savings, and employing risk management strategies. This helps ensure economic resilience and protects against unforeseen financial problems. Independence from external financial influences. This can be achieved by developing different sources of income and diversifying financial assets. Realizing the value of money. That is, the ability to distinguish needs from wants, to pay attention to important financial goals. Unfortunately, achieving financial sovereignty can be challenging due to numerous obstacles, from debt and limited income to lack of financial literacy and cultural barriers. However, the biggest obstacle is our own thinking and beliefs about money. And until we change them, becoming financially independent will not work. This is where psychology comes into play. Namely, the following principles come into play. 1. Increase self-awareness. The first step to increasing your earnings is to realize your financial goals, motivations, and money beliefs. Take the time to introspect and ask yourself, what financial goals do I want to achieve? What beliefs may be getting in the way of my financial growth? Determine how much money you want to make, over what period of time, and why. Clear goals will help you focus and create an action plan to achieve them. Entrepreneur and author Brian Tracy notes that successful people are simply those who have successful habits. Through self-reflection, you can identify and cultivate habits that lead to financial success. These habits may include effective time management, strategic planning, and spending and saving habits. 2. Managing motivation. Motivation is the force that drives action and achievement of goals. Beliefs of, I'm not capable of earning more, or money is evil, can be a barrier to financial success. Get rid of limiting beliefs and replace them with positive and motivational affirmations. Having a mindset of affluence means believing that there will always be enough money. Alan Cohen once said, abundance is not something we buy, it's what we tune into. By tuning into abundance, you become more open to receiving wealth and success. 3. Managing financial emotions. Our emotions can have a big impact on our financial decisions and behaviors. Fear, greed, and insecurity become obstacles to financial growth. Don't let emotions master you, but make financial decisions based on rationality and deliberation. Develop financial literacy, learn the basic fundamentals of investing, budget management, planning, and analyzing financial performance. The more you know about financial tools and strategies, the better you will be able to make informed decisions and increase your income. 4. Confidence in yourself and your financial decisions. Confidence in your abilities and a positive attitude are essential for financial success. And the ability to overcome challenges facilitates innovative decision-making. Your ability to envision future possibilities is a mindset that can impact your financial success. American entrepreneur and founder of Dell, Mikhail Dell, recognizes that the opportunity is in the problem. As soon as I see a problem, I immediately start thinking about the opportunities that can be created by trying to solve it. The question is, what do you see when you look around you? Visualizing your goals and dreams can help you create a clear and compelling plan for your future. This can motivate and inspire the right actions to achieve financial success. 5. Develop communication and influence skills. Learn how to communicate effectively, how to build trust with colleagues and clients, and a culture of persuasion. Being able to express yourself persuasively will help you achieve financial results and reap better rewards. As you can see, psychology plays a huge role in achieving financial success. All of the above are psychological principles to help you increase your earnings. Don't forget that psychology and finance are intertwined, and using psychological tools can open up new opportunities for financial growth and wealth. Don't forget to put a like and subscribe to the channel. See you later.